Hey guys, so let's get to it. I hate introductions. Let's skip. Oh my gosh, when I finally found out about that stupid introduction was over. You want to bust it, don't we? Because that's more fun. Come on. What? It wants me to use with the keyboard. Hey, it worked. What do you want, shield? What? It's got to be the shield. Yes! I want tokens. I'm pretty sure if it's basket, I'll just tip you over something. What the heck? Look. Oh my gosh, you didn't let me... Oh my gosh! They do that too fast. You don't even get a chance. Oh my gosh. This is really annoying, huh, guys? Let's try branch, maybe. Just because I've never tried it. Oh my gosh. So I know it's not branch. And I don't, and, oh my gosh. I don't get a chance to. Yes, I finally got a chance to do it. Okay, finally. Let's see if I want to do. Oh my gosh! I probably want to bubble so it doesn't. I never. Oh my gosh. I didn't. Probably clicked step back. Yeah. Oh well. And it doesn't give me a chance to click, just like I thought. And then it brings me back here. Lovely. So apparently I didn't click that one because I didn't have step back. Just, oh, this is irritating. Oh my gosh, I am irritated. And annoyed. Okay, finally. Yes, finally. And it works. Okay. We're in a tunnel. Okay. in the aggressive way. Well, it's been fun playing this, and I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and leave a like, and also a comment would be greatly appreciated. This has been really great, and I'm gonna stop the recording now, so bye.